Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You're going to stop the live wallpaper now. First, confirm your OS and the wallpaper app name so you target the right process. Open Settings Personalization or System Preferences and go to Background to see whether a live source is set. Then open Task Manager or Activity Monitor, locate the wallpaper process by name and end it. Once done, make sure the process doesn't immediately restart before moving on to disabling startup entries. Now you'll disable and remove the app so it doesn't come back. Go to Task Manager Startup, Windows, or System Settings Users and Groups Login Items, Mac OS, and disable the wallpaper app. If you want it gone, uninstall from Settings Apps or Control Panel, or use App Cleaner on Mac OS. Confirm removal of related files. Also inspect GPU utilities like NVIDIA or AMD control panels that sometimes inject animated backgrounds. Make sure to reboot after uninstalling to clear active hooks. Finish by applying a static wallpaper so the system has a default to revert to. Choose an image and save. Then open Task Scheduler or LaunchTool and remove any scheduled jobs or services that relaunch the wallpaper app. Restart the laptop and verify no animation returns. If the live wallpaper persists, check GPU vendor software, run a malware scan, or create a new local user to see if it's a profile-level setting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.